Hello viewers! Welcome to another video. Here, we have a tray that is sectioned into 3 parts. We are going to be using this tray to raise 3 different seeds for our garden. But first, we are going to lay some wool into the tray. Here we go. We have already placed some wool into this tray. Take a look at the seeds we will be planting today. Coriander, flax, fennel. Let's put that by the side. The next stage is to properly wet the wool in the tray. I'm using a clean spray bottle to ensure even distribution of water. Spray very well until the wool is visibly wet. Keep spraying. You can use your fingers to check the dampness of the wool. If it doesn't feel wet enough, spray a little more. Now the tray is ready for the seeds. Begin to spread your seeds as evenly as possible. You can spray a little water on top of the seeds. Here is our second seed type. Finally, all 3 seed types have been spread in the 3 sections of the tray. For the final step, we have to cover the tray with another one. Make sure to put holes on the cover to promote aeration. You are ready. Make sure to check your tray every day and water the seeds as needed.